This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable vibration on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now. To enable or disable vibration, first thing you want to do is open up the phone settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Accessibility. Right here is Accessibility. I'm going to tap on that. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Touch. Tap on Touch. And then you'll scroll down a little bit more. And right here is Vibration. As you can see, by default, that's probably toggled on, as you see mine is. But to turn it off, you just tap on the toggle. That turns off the phone's vibration. And to turn it on, you just tap on it again. Now the phone's vibration is turned on. That is how to enable or disable the vibration on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.